Hey there, welcome back. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's all about financial freedom and flexibility. If you've ever wondered how to make $100 a day without being tied down to a traditional job, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share some creative and effective strategies that can help you achieve that goal. So, if you're ready to take control of your income, hit that subscribe button and let's jump right in. Segment 1. The power of passive income. So, the key to making $100 a day without a job lies in understanding the power of passive income. Passive income is all about setting up revenue streams that require minimal ongoing effort once established. This means you could be making money while you sleep, travel, or simply enjoy your day-to-day activities. Some popular avenues for passive income include rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, creating and selling online courses, and affiliate marketing. These methods allow you to earn money consistently without the constraints of a regular job. Segment 2. Leveraging the online world. One of the most accessible ways to make $100 a day without a job is by leveraging the endless opportunities of the online world. Whether you're a creative individual or possess specialized knowledge, there's a platform for you. You can start by offering your skills on freelancing platforms, creating engaging content on platforms like YouTube or TikTok, or even selling digital products such as ebooks, printables, or photography. The online space allows you to reach a global audience and monetize your passions effectively. Segment 3. The gig economy and sharing economy. Another avenue to explore is the gig economy and sharing economy. These platforms connect individuals with short-term tasks and services, providing a great way to earn extra cash. You can sign up for ride-sharing services, deliver food through apps, or offer services like pet sitting, home cleaning, or handyman work on platforms designed for these tasks. It's a flexible way to earn money whenever you have the time. Segment 4. Monetizing your passions. Now, imagine turning your passions into profit. If you have a hobby or interest you're deeply passionate about, there's a chance to monetize it. Whether it's fitness, art, gaming, or anything in between, there's an audience out there willing to support you. You can sell merchandise, offer coaching, or even start a Patreon page to engage with your community while generating income. So there you have it, some fantastic strategies to make $100 a day without having a traditional job. Remember, it's all about finding the approach that aligns with your skills, passions, and lifestyle. The digital age offers unprecedented opportunities for financial independence, and the journey starts with taking that first step. If you enjoyed this video and found these ideas helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. And as always, drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay inspired, stay motivated, and keep chasing those financial goals. Thanks for watching.